will be these, also known as the clown of savannah, because they do unusual dance moves to attract females during mating season. And if you're familiar with the movie Lion King, here
Lion Deer?
Yeah, that's Mazong Gazelle po. Say hi! Say hi!
Mama ka lapit. Ipitsa. Ay, nagpupo. Ay, nagpupo.
Itong nag-away mga sir is Peter Cotto and Dylan. Wala, last time lang na nila. Say no, past time.
Past time. I don't like it.
So, Impala are the fastest runner here in Savannah. They can run up to 90 kilometers per hour and can jump up to 3 meters high. So, male have horns, while female don't have.